Hey guys, I hope you're doing well today. This is going to be another haul, and I mentioned in my most recent haul, which was an Ulta haul, that I would have like a second part, and that's kind of what it is, but this is all the stuff that's not from Ulta, even though I actually did buy something from Ulta recently, so that'll also be in this video. This is definitely going to be a longer haul. I'm not going to spend too much time on each item. Certain ones I will, but I would say the majority of them I'm just going to talk about briefly. Recently, I have gotten sent a couple things to review lately, and I typically accept from Octoly and Influencer, which both of those brands are in this video, and I will accept from other companies every once in a while, but those are the main ones that I accept from. I did get sent this lipstick from Undone Beauty, and they are a more natural, vegan, and cruelty-free line. So this is their Light On lipstick, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't love the packaging on this because it does seem a little bit cheap to me, but the product is super nice. So I have this more like sheer lip color. This is like a My Lips But Better color. And this is in the shade Gosh Garnet, which is super cute. So I guess I'll swatch it first and then show you what it looks like in the tube. So this is a swatch of Gosh Garnet, and it is a sheer red color, but it actually just looks like My Lips But Better, which is awesome. And it's so comfortable. I've been really liking this. And this is what it looks like in the tube. And these actually only retail for $8. And I looked on the Undone Beauty website, and they have free US shipping. So I might order a few of these, especially in like nude colors, because I've been really wanting some sheer nude lipsticks that are really comfortable. And this is definitely satisfying my craving for that. So this is their Light On Lip. It's light reflecting, lip boosting color, hydrating sheer color infused with volume enhancing pigment, has aloe and coconut oil, and they're vegan, cruelty free, and paraben free. So thank you so much Octoly and Undone Beauty. I'm really liking this lipstick. And then I recently got sent a box from Influencer, and it had this mascara in it from Wander Beauty, and I've never tried anything from Wander Beauty before, so I'm excited. This is their Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara, and I just have it in the packaging. I actually haven't opened it up yet, so I don't really know what even like the actual packaging looks like, so let me open this up for you. It looks like this. It kind of looks like a squeezy tube, but I know there's like a wand in there. I don't want to open this up yet. I'm almost done with my Essence mascara right now, so once that is done, I will open this up and try this. And then they did send me 4 perfume samples from Floral Street, and these actually smell really good. And then finally for the Influencer package, I got sent this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, and it's calming and hydrating. So I'm excited because I've never tried anything from Glow Recipe. I just pulled the product out because I haven't actually opened it yet, and this is what it looks like. It's very cute. I do feel like the extra cardboard packaging was a little bit unnecessary because the box made it seem like it was bigger than it is. Like, it's pretty tiny compared to the box, if you can see that. But I guess because it is like a glass little container here, and it's really cute. It kind of looks like a vanilla or banana pudding, so I'm excited to try this. I picked up a couple things from Ulta, just 2, and technically 3 because one is a set. But this is the Urban Decay Seeking Sugar little set with the Perfusion Mascara and Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy. I'm so excited because when I went to Ulta the other day, I guess it retailed for $29 originally, if you can see there. And then I looked on their sale and it was half off, so it was only $14.50, and then I had an extra 20% off, so I got this set for $11.60, I think. And I know the Urban Decay glitter liner, I think they're like $20, and I think around the same for the Perfusion, so I'm really excited about this. I think I got a really great deal, and I'm excited to try the Perfusion mascara. I think I might have used it before, but it's been a few years, and I had the glitter liner before, and I had it for around 2 years, and then I just noticed it wasn't performing as good as it was before, so I decluttered it. But I'm happy to have it again because I really like that product. And then, speaking of mascara, I picked up another one of the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Waterproof Mascaras. I'm currently wearing this today, and this is a natural bristle wand. Hold on, let me get the one I have right now. So I just grabbed mine that I have open right now, and it looks a little bit crusty because it's about 2 months old, I think. But this is what the wand looks like. It is a natural bristle wand, and it is kind of like a Christmas tree style, but it's very skinny. I like this mascara a lot. I don't know if my lashes will show up that well on camera, but I think it does work really nicely. It builds on itself well and does hold a curl. It does feel a little bit like crunchy on your lashes. I don't mind that. I know a lot of people do though, so definitely keep that in mind if you don't like that feeling on your eyelashes. Like, it's not like irritating or anything. It's just like if you touch your eyelashes, they feel kind of hard. Next, I have a couple products that I got from Marshalls. First, I have this Pearlesscence Radiance Perfecting Serum, and it's supposed to have vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And I got this for $6.99 at Marshalls, and I've used this for about a month or so. I have used it once or twice under makeup, and I didn't notice it did anything weird with it, so that's good. And I feel like it is fairly hydrating. It's not the most hydrating serum in the world, but I think my skin's also pretty dry right now because of the winter. I haven't used a whole lot of it. I think I might only be down to like here. But I have been liking it so far. I just haven't seen a major difference in hydration yet, but I might have to use the whole bottle before I do. I'm super excited about this. So Smokey Glow on YouTube, she mentioned that she found the Too Faced Major Hangover RX at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I believe I found this at Marshalls, but this is like a double size of the Hangover RX primer from Too Faced, and I think I got this for $13, and this primer normally I think is around in the $30 range, and then the large size, this one, retails for like 50 bucks, so thank you Hannah from Smokey Glow, because I picked this up like a day or two after you mentioned this on your channel, and I've used this primer before, but I'm so happy to have like a huge size of it for such a good price. So it's kind of like a milky type of primer, kind of looks questionable, but it does smell like coconut, and it is kind of like a lotiony primer. It does dry clear on the skin. It's very hydrating. I like this primer a lot. I've had a love affair with Laura Geller blushes. They recently were discontinued out of Ulta, so they've been showing up at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So I picked up another blush from them a few months ago, and then I recently picked up this one. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten, and this is in the shade Peach Delight. So I wouldn't say this is very peachy. It's kind of like a shimmery light pink color. It is very pretty. I wear this a lot with like more neutral or cool toned looks. So that is what a swatch of it looks like. I really like this blush. I feel like it blends very nicely on the skin. I liked baked blushes. I prefer a glowy blush on me personally because I just like to look dewy. This blends out really well, and I'm happy to pick it up. This was, I think, around $6 or $7 when I bought it. I bought this brush from Beauty Secrets, so this is sold at Sally's, and it is pretty dirty because I have used it a decent amount, but it's kind of like a pencil or outer corner style brush. The packaging is really pretty. It's like a silver, almost purple color, and I used a dark brown with it, and I need to wash my brushes, so this one's a little bit stained. I'm gonna be honest, I don't love this brush that much. I thought I would like it more, but this doesn't blend things super well, and sometimes I feel like it can make things look a little bit patchy, so I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this brush. I've only used it a solid probably 10 times, so I kind of want to test it out a little bit more. It's okay, it's just not the best brush that I've tried, in my opinion. I have a few of the JD Glow Cosmetics eyeshadows, so I did pick up two recently. This one is the Reserved Shadow, and this is their Medallion finish, and this is like a shimmery purpley pink shade. I was hoping this would be more pink, and I have worn it, I think, once. It's a very pretty color. I'm just not entirely sure if I'm going to keep this one. It's super pretty and metallic, but I do have other colors a little bit similar to this, but it is very, very pretty, and it does have, like, glitters in it as well. So that is what it looks like. It's kind of pulling more purple on camera, but it's kind of like a very light, silvery, purpley pink color. Super pretty, and the JD Glow Cosmetics eyeshadows are really nice. I currently have 5 of them, and they're very metallic and pigmented, and I'm interested to try more of their product. And then the other eyeshadow that I picked up, this one is amazing. I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow, and this is their Shadow in Unexpected, and this is their Galaxy Collection eyeshadow. This is freaking stunning. It is like the blue, brown, red duochrome shade, but it's so much more than that. If you have like a similar color to this already, honestly, I feel like this one is probably the best version of that color out there, this like duochrome shade. And it's even showing up like not as blue on camera, but like look at that shift. Freaking beautiful. I love this eyeshadow. I'm gonna have to wear it in a video soon. I did make a Colourpop order a month or two ago, and I picked up a few things. This one I've already hit pan on just because it's a Supershock eyeshadow. This is the Colourpop Supershock eyeshadow in the shade Ritz. I love this so much. I used the crap out of this, as you can see. I mean, I've already hit pan on it. Granted, they are fairly easy to hit pan on, but they're so pretty. This one, I think I got off recommendation from Mariah Leonard on YouTube. I don't even think the camera's gonna do it justice, but that is what it looks like. This is stunning. I wear this all the time. I love topping my eyeshadow with it if I want more glitter to it or shimmer, or I've worn it just by itself on the lid, blended out, and it is so pretty. super sparkly in the light, and I'm definitely going to purchase another one of these whenever I use it up because I love it that much. And normally I don't repurchase eyeshadows that often, but this one is one I think I will definitely repurchase in the future. And then speaking of glitter, I did pick up one of their pressed glitters, and I've only worn this on my eyes once. I'm gonna put the name in the description box because I have it in one of their like single pans and I don't feel like prying it out just to get the name of it, so I'll put it on the screen for you. But it is this more pinky purple glitter, and it is really fun, and it has like kind of rainbow glitter chunks in it. This isn't my favorite pressed glitter formula, but it is very nice. Like, it's super pretty and pigmented. So I have worn this in I think 1 or 2 videos. Oh my god, it's so cool. So that is what it looks like. It's like pretty much rainbow or holographic. It is stunning. I want to try out more of their glitters because they do have really fun colors. I'm going to go on with the haul. I do have a few other Colourpop order purchases. So I have this Colourpop E1 brush, and I forgot to use this. I haven't used this brush yet, but it is kind of like a MAC 217 or a Sigma E25. I think those are the style, but it's a little bit more flat. But I think it will be nice for blending. When they sent me this one, there was actually like glue pieces kind of stuck in it, and I couldn't get it out at the time, so I asked them to send me a new one, and they did. And I actually ended up getting the glue off of this one, and I washed it, so I put the new one in my giveaway pile for you guys because I will be hosting a giveaway soon. But I kept this one for me, the one without the glue in it anymore, and I'm excited to use it, but I haven't used it yet. And lastly, for the Colourpop stuff, I actually got 2 pressed eyeshadows, and they're both mattes. So I got this one in Going Steady, which is a more purpley burgundy shade, and it is a matte color. I was hoping this would be more burgundy, but it's actually more purple. It turns out very purple on the eyes, so if I'm going for a purple eye look, it would be perfect. I was just hoping it would be more burgundy. So here's a swatch of Going Steady. It's a really pretty shade. It just turns out more purple on my eyes, I think, just because I have like such fair skin. I feel like it just looks a little bit intense on me that way, but I have been enjoying it. And then I picked up this one, and this is Wake Up Call, and I think this is a pretty popular one in their line. So this is just a basic neutral matte brown shade. So this is Wake Up Call, and this is Going Steady, and they actually work well together when I use the Wake Up Call as a transition shade, but I would definitely want to try out more of their pressed shadows in the future. I purchased a couple, and I actually have used some up as well, but I also want to buy a palette from them. I'm just not sure which one. And finally, for this haul, my friend Lisa and I did a little Christmas gift swap. So I sent her a package and she sent me one with some beauty stuff, and you guys should definitely check her out. I talk about Lisa all the time, and we're currently doing Finish 6 by Christmas together, so I'll insert that video up in the cards right here, and I'll put her channel down below. But she's one of my best friends in real life and on YouTube. So she sent me a package. I'll insert a picture of everything she sent me here. And then there are a few things I didn't feel like putting in this video because I will actually be putting some of this stuff in my giveaway pile just because I won't be using certain things and I don't want things to go to waste. But the first thing I have here is this Body Shop Festive Body Butter Trio set, and this, it looks so cute. I love the Body Shop body butters. I talk about them all the time in my empties videos. So it looks like this one is Rich Plum, Juicy Pear right here, and then Warm Vanilla. So those scents are definitely up my alley, and these look like the travel size ones. I'm really excited. I love Body Shop body butters. I think Lisa really likes this sponge. This is from e.l.f. and it's their Total Face Sponge. I'm excited to try this because I haven't tried any of e.l.f. sponges before. She sent me this sample of the Chanel La Volume de Chanel mascara. I've never tried anything from Chanel, I don't think, so I'm excited to try this, and this looks like a deluxe sample. She also sent me this Mario Badescu Lip Balm Trio, and it has a rose one, it looks like a regular one, and then a mint one. And I think I might pass the mint lip balm on to someone else just because I don't love mint flavored things, but I love Mario Badescu and I love lip balm, so I'm excited to try out the other two. And then she did send me a few declutters as well, so I have 3 palettes here. This is the Morphe Artistry palette, and this was for Pride Month, I believe, and it's so cute, and it's rainbow. So here is what the palette looks like. So it is a very colorful palette. It looks like a rainbow palette. So it has some shimmers. It looks like it's mostly matte, and I'm excited because it looks like it has like some cool transition shades for colorful looks. So I think this one will be nice. This like light seafoam green color or blue. And then it has some greens over here. And then she also sent me this neutral palette from Pixie. It looks like it was a collaboration with It's Judy Time. I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to keep this one, but if it performs really nicely, I definitely will. And then I am so excited to try this because I have been wanting this palette for at least a year now. And I kept picking it up and putting it down in Ulta, but this is the Makeup Revolution and Sof X 24 eyeshadow palette. And this was her first one because I know they've done another one since then. So here's what it looks like. So this is a more neutral palette, but it does have some pops of color as well. This is really beautiful. I just wanted this palette for a while, and then when Lisa asked me if I wanted it, I was like, yes, because for one, I don't have to spend money on it because Lisa was an angel and sent it to me, and I've just been wanting to try it for forever. So today I have this beautiful metallic champagne shade all over my lid, and then I do have some other colors in the crease, and I think I played with this like clay brown color in the crease, and I'm excited to play with the palette more. She sent me this deluxe sample of the Fenty Beauty bronzer. I've been hearing really good things about the Fenty Beauty bronzers, and this is in the shade Shady Biz, and I'm pretty sure Raw Beauty Christie likes this shade a lot. And this is what it looks like, and the packaging feels really nice on this, and I have been using it the last few days, and I really like it. I have a Becca bronzer too that I like a lot, but this one is slightly lighter and it's more matte. I feel like it blends into the skin nicely, and it's just an overall really good color for me. And then here's a swatch of the Fenty bronzer. It is kind of more like kind of like mustardy, I think. It's not orange or anything, but it is not quite like a neutral brown, but it does blend into my skin really nicely. I've also used it as an eyeshadow as well because it's like the perfect size for that. And I want to try out more Fenty Beauty things, so thank you, Lisa, for sending this to me. And then this item is pretty cool. It's another item from Makeup Revolution. This is the Makeup Revolution Hydrate and Prime Primer, and this is actually very similar to the Faced Hangover Rx primer. It's like almost identical. It's kind of leaking a little bit because I've had it upside down, but looks like that. It's more of like a lotiony liquid type of primer, and it does look like it's getting a little bit messy in the tube, so I don't love that. But it does blend out to be like very clear and hydrating, so I liked this primer when I tried it out. And I think it's pretty cool that it's basically a dupe, it seems like, for the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. This is the Stila Glitter and Glow set, and this is their All Fired Up set, so it comes with a set of 3 different glitter and glows. I will definitely swatch them for you, but I wanted to pull them out so you can have a better look of them. So they are more neutral colors and more on the warm toned side. Is Sunset Fire. It's really pretty, but it is more on the sheer side, and these do seem a little bit sheer, but I've only tried this one once over eyeshadow, and I'll have to test them out a little bit more. I like the Stila glitters a lot. I've been staying a little bit more away from them lately just because they are pretty expensive, and I feel like there are other good glitters out there. So I did swatch them out right here. Personally, I like this one the best, this light gold shade, because I feel like it has more glitter particles in it, and I can use it as a topper because it is a more light shade. This one is in the shade Follow the Sun, and it looks like this. It is a more like white, yellow, gold shade. And then the middle shade, which I showed you earlier, Sunset Fire, is right here. As you can see, it is a little bit more on the sheer side. I think it can be built up. I just have to play with these a little bit more, but that is what it looks like. And then the last one I have is right here, and this one is Burnished Sienna, which is kind of a weird name, but it is more on like the burnt side, but it's really pretty. And that is it for my collective makeup haul. Sorry for all the hauling lately, but I let this build up over like 2 or 3 months, and I got lazy, didn't want to put it off anymore, and here we are. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I also have a horse channel if you want to check it out. It is called C&K Equestrian. I'll have a link down below. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you later. Bye.